Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new launched Lakme Absolute Sculpt Studio High Definition Matte Lipstick. I got only one shade and this is the Plum Spell. I got only one lipstick because my experience with Lakme lipstick is not very good. I don't like the formula, so I thought I would take only one and use it for a while and then give my thoughts on it. And to my surprise, I quite liked this one. This is how the packaging looks like. It is exactly the same as their Gloss Addict range, and it looks very classy. As you can see, it has a chrome chrome gunmetal shape shade in their body, and it opens up with a click, which seems really sturdy, I think. And when you open it, it opens with a click and closes with a click as well. So that's, I think it's a good, that I mean, it's very it makes it very travel friendly. The lid is secureable, and the lipstick is opens and closes with a click. So I think that's really very considerate of them to make the lipsticks, to make the packaging this sturdy. So coming back to the actual lipstick, this is what the shade looks like. It is a maroonish red color, and when I got this one from Flipkart, and when I was placing my order for this lipstick, it seemed a little on the berries side, but when I got this one in my hand, I saw that it is more of the maroonish red color. But it's okay. When I used this lipstick, I found it very hydrating, and being it matte, it's very hydrating and very smooth on your lips. As you can see, I'm applying it here, and it glides on very smoothly and very effortlessly. Let me show you the swatch of it on my hand so that you can see the color. So here is the swatch of it, and I'm wearing it right now. So my lips are pretty pigmented, and this is how it looks on my lips. Retail price for this lipstick is 700 rupees, but I got this one on sale from Flipkart. I got this one for 595 rupees. But now they don't have that offer anymore, so you have to purchase it on MRP. The thing with this lipstick is that it stays on for 4 to 5 hours on my lips, but after a while, after 4 hours or 5 hours, it starts to fade away from the inner rim, which looks really very ugly. So I have to give a touch up in every 4 hours, but I think it's okay. I can live with that. And it's very hydrating and moisturizing, and it doesn't come off when you pucker your lips. This is the best point about this lipstick, because the matte lipsticks, the super matte lipsticks, they tend to come off or stick onto your lips when you do this, and I really hate that feeling. The super matte lipsticks, they come off when you pucker your lips, and that looks very ugly and feels like you are wearing some rubber on your lips, if you understand what I'm trying to say. But anyways, it doesn't do that, and that's a really great point for me. And it doesn't settles on the fine lines, which is also a plus point. The pigmentation of this lipstick, as you can see, is really nice. In one swipe you can get a good amount of color on your lips. My lips are pigmented, so I have to smear it 2 or 3 times, but that's okay. If you don't have too much pigmented lips, it will give a decent amount of coverage to your lips. the lipstick. It's very pigmented, let me tell you. There are so many shades to choose from. I don't know exactly how many shades, but there are so many shades, starting from pinks to maroons to berry to reds. You can definitely you can find your shade from there, I mean from this range. And the lipstick transfers a lot when you are drinking, when you are eating, when you are wearing something from your head, when your lips rubs your clothes or whatever. It transfers so much, and that doesn't mean it comes off completely. It just transfers on the surface wherever your lips rubs or whatever. So that's a con of it. I'll wrap it up. I'll tell you the pros and cons of this lipstick. The pros are that it's very hydrating, very smooth on your lips, glides on very easily. It stays for 4 to 5 hours, and it does not at all dries your lips. The color payoff really nice. The colors are very nice, very suitable for Indian skin tones. The pigmentation is nice, and what else? The packaging is really travel friendly. As you can see, the packaging is really travel friendly. Does not settles on the fine lines, and it does not come off when you pucker your lips. When you do this, it doesn't come off at all. Now the cons of it transfers a lot, and when you eat something or when you drink something, it comes off on the plate, or on the not that you are eating from the plate right away, but it comes off on the spoon, or even if you are drinking, it comes off in the glass or cup or whatever, and after a while it comes off from your inner rim, which looks ugly. So you have to do touch-ups. That's a con, I think, and it's a bit pricey. For the quality, I think it's a bit pricey. What else? I think I have covered the cons. I can think of only 2. So that's a wrap. That was my take on the Lakme Absolute Sculpt Studio High Definition Matte Lipstick. I think I have covered pretty much everything, but if I have missed anything, please comment on the comment bar and let me know what you think about this lipstick, and do let me know what other products you want me to review. I would love to do that, and yeah, I really wish this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.